Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It is your boy bobbysneakerworld, and I am back with another video. This video is just an appreciation video. I wanted to thank all of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I am over 600 subscribers.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
And my channel is growing so fast. I'm so super thankful. I didn't envision getting 600 subscribers total. So to get here in a few months is very, very humbling. My last video, those Lebron 16s, got over 4,000 views and 100 plus likes, and that's what I'm most proud of that video, that I have over 100 and some likes. That might not be a lot to some, but for me, 100 thumbs up on the video means y'all rocking with your boy. Anybody can get one click and somebody watch for 3 seconds and get off. But for somebody to watch the video and actually hit the thumbs up that they like the video means so much. So I appreciate y'all. But speaking of those LeBron 16s, Nike said that those was delivered yesterday. I have not received those sneakers. Y'all know the ones I'm talking about, those LeBron 16s, the what does? Who is it?
Get your box.
What?
Look at it.
Who the hell is this?
Are you Bobby? Are you Bobby Sneaker World? Well, here's your box.
Yes, I am Bobby, and that is my package, but that was supposed to be here yesterday. Why are you late?
Well, why are you angry with me? I tried to sell these.
Did you just say you tried to sell my sneakers? Boy, if you don't give me my damn...
Oh, you want this box?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? That was a fun little skit that we did, but now it's time to get into the unboxing part of the video.
Who are you? People don't know who you are. You have to introduce yourself.
I'm Josiah Dad and Bobby Sneaker World. This is his channel, but I'm taking over now.
You ain't taking over nothing. Anyway, we had a good time with that, man. Josiah was not here for the first time that I reviewed these sneakers on the channel. So I'm gonna let him do it. He has never seen these before. These came in from Nike. So I'm gonna see his reaction to them. Crack into them.
A few moments later.
Oh, beast mode.
Oh, that's heavy. I better use my strong hand.
The box almost won. Go ahead, take them out. Go faster. Nike receipt.
Get out of here. Get out of here. So.
All right, so on the front of the box.
Oh, I never realized that. It's his old,
This is
how we
old
used to-
Dunkman logo. All right, we ain't got to go through all this. I already done went through a review on the channel. I'm gonna rush through this. Let's get into this actual sneakers and let him see them.
I like this part already. I like
Huh?
that part. This part right here, that has to be my favorite part of this sneaker.
The gold.
But it's just this sneaker. That's just
You don't like this one? What about the pony hair?
I like
Oh,
that. I like that. And I like the lion, but
not the rest of it. You
I
just
mean,
like that because it's so colorful.
I like the bottom like that. It looks like mommy's sneakers. You know, the one
The
that
Vapor
was
Max?
sunset.
Yeah, the Sunset Vapor Max. A little bit.
Kind
But one thing that I didn't know when I did review these the first time, obviously we're outside in the light, you can't see it, but this sneaker, that sneaker, one of them has 3M all throughout. I think it might be these joints right here, but the entire upper is all 3M under the battle net. So Yeah.
That feels
Got
like
the-
a carpet. Just by a little.
It feel like Berber carpet. So yeah, so we got the 2-3 on the tongue. You got the I promise for the school, the behind the tongue. It's a lot of details. I went over all of that. I'm not gonna make another 15-minute video, but I appreciate y'all watching the channel. Just like I said in the beginning, man, the last video had over 4,000 views and 100 and some likes. That's not my expectation for every video, but I do thank y'all, man. If y'all new to the channel, I appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up, man. It really means a lot. And these are dope.
I like the slide.
Yeah, those are dope. How we finish the video?
Oh.
OV!